Here are the top 5 most mind-blowing AI cat videos. And you'll want to stick around for number 1, because it's so insane it might make you poop. If you like and follow right now, you'll have good luck. And if you don't, that's 7 years of bad luck, buddy. Kicking off our list at number 5.
What on earth are you doing? It's 2 in the morning.
Coming in at number 4.
You've got to be kidding me. Give me those. Ow! Let go! Hey, give it back!
At our number 3 spot.
Oh, mia notte dolce e chiara, mi porti al cielo.
Seriously?
Brilla la luna, ma il cuore brucia accanto per te.
It's midnight, buddy.
Number 2 spot.
C'est quoi ça? J'ai commandé un
And finally, at the number 1 spot.
This is not what I ordered.
Uh-oh. Look at his ears.